In today's lesson, I would like us to go through importing of coordinates and plotting using coordinates. In the last lesson, we digitized a scanned map, we scaled it, and we traced, and we are able to draw some polygons. We were able to determine the areas of the various parcels. We were able to measure the distances, and you can also be able to measure the bearings. So in today's lesson, we shall go straight to our, this is our scanned map. These are the stations, or what you can call the description. These are the northings and the eastings, and the heights are 0, so we don't need this one. We only need the northings, easting, and stations. And our area of interest will be V1, V2, V3, and V4. So we only need to prepare an Excel sheet with V1, V2, V3, and V4 and their respective northings and eastings. So let's go straight to our desktop. Right click and create a new Microsoft Excel sheet and name it. Let us name it tutorial. So I hope all of you know how to create an Excel sheet. Then double click it to launch it. Then okay, so my first this is the rows. I will name it 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Then we shall have the northings here. Let me first of all show you. We shall have the northings, the 36, the V1, V2, V3, and V4. So I want to make my work easier. I always try to make my work easier. So I will paste them here. So this is the point, this is the description, northing, easting. So I want my file to be in the form of northing, then point, then northing, then easting, then elevation, then description, whatever. So this my first row is point. Then I need to have northings here. So I will create a new, let me insert a new row. I don't know whether it's rows or column. So these should be, then cut them, paste them here. Point, northing, these are my northings, cut them, then paste them here. Then my eastings, sorry, these are my description. Let me cut and paste them here. Then cut and paste them here. Point, northing, easting, elevation should be maybe 0 or 1, all of them. We don't need them. Then we should have the point description. Copy or cut them, then paste them there. So that's why you need to have done some computer lessons before going through the AutoCAD lessons. So I would like us to do something before we continue. I would like us to create a new blank workbook. So we have 2 workbooks. So this my first workbook named tutorial. Save, make sure you save it. So tutorial. Then my second workbook, let me save it as area. Save as area in my, I'll save it in my desktop. Area calculation. So we shall do 2 things at once. So okay, let me copy this one nothings and eastings, then paste them here. These are the nothings, the eastings. Then I have the description v1, v2, v3, and v4. I would like us to create to do the area calculation using our Excel. So v1, v2, v3, and v4. Then also copy this one and paste it here. So v1, v2, v3, v4, then v1. So we have 5 rows. Yes, rows or columns or whatever. So let us multiply these multiplied by this and place it here. So the equal sign, then select that one, then multiplication sign, multiply by that one, then hit enter, then equal sign, then select the first one, then multiplied by the second one. I know most of the surveyors know this. I don't know whether others, the planners and engineers know it. I don't know. So now that you know how to use the Excel, so multiply all of them. So multiply this one. The first one is the first, sorry, this B2 multiplied by C2. If you double click, you'll see the affected cells. So the second one shall be this one multiplied by this one, then hit enter. Then the second one shall be this one multiplied by this one, then hit enter. Do that for the remaining cells. So the Excel will always give you some shortcut. You can highlight both of them, then click the plus sign. It will calculate for you the remaining calculations. Then do it for the other one. So delete and delete. So let us do the sum. We do the summation. No, we do click formula, then Autosum. Double click Autosum. It will do the summation. Then let us do Autosum. We'll do the summation. Then equal sign, the first one minus the second one equals to that one. Then these are now in meters squared. Meters squared. That is the area in meters squared, but you need to divide by 2 because this is not the correct area. So you need to divide by 2. So equals divided by 2 equals to. So this is the area in meters squared. So I would like my area to be in hectares. So divided by 2, then multiplied by 10,000 equals to, oh sorry, no. My answer should be this divided by 20,000 in short. So my acreage should be 0.0659. Let me see whether we have that. 0.0659. So we have some, whoever did the calculation on this survey plan did some errors. So that's how you do the area calculation using the Excel sheet. Yeah. So we can continue with our second lesson. So you can save that one.